This video will show you how to create a Google site. The first thing that you need to do is on the black bar at the top, select Sites. And once you're in the sites, if you don't have any sites, this will be blank. I have 2 of them. As you can see, you simply need to hit the Create button. From Create, you can browse the gallery or use a blank template. I'm just going to show you a few things in the gallery. You can go straight to Schools and Education, and there's some example templates that you might want to use. You can get carried away looking at all of them, but I am just going to select one here. I'm actually looking for a clipboard. There it is. You can preview the template. So this is actually what it will look like. Now you'll be able to edit all of these things and change the Spanish language, and you can get rid of the tab for photo gallery or Facebook and make all these changes. But if you like the look of this, you simply select Use Template, and then you name your site. As you saw on my first page, the best thing to do is name your site your full name. I would say, to be specific, you can use Mrs. Schweitzer or Mrs. Schweitzer's 4th grade class. But remember, if you move around a lot or plan on teaching 5th grade next year, I wouldn't be so specific as to put the grade level that you teach. Same thing for high school teachers. If you would want to call it second period biology or advanced biology, maybe next year you won't be teaching advanced biology. And once you set up this site with the template, you cannot change the name of your site. So I'm going to call this one Tech Support. And as I do that, you can see right down here in your site location that this is actually the address. So if it's not available, for example, if you're calling your site Mrs. Smith, and we already have 5 or 6 Mrs. Smith, it will actually make you change it. So this is all you have to do on your first screen, and then simply hit Create. Takes a minute for it to load. And now you can see right up here, instead of the template's name, it was a teacher's name up there before, now it's called Tech Support. Now you can get underway with editing your site. You can simply click on this Edit button, and anything that you see in writing, you can just delete and type your information. The editing tool is the same as in Google Docs. You can highlight, change the color, make it bold, change the size, and change the font. Oops. I didn't really change it much, but there you go. That's your basic editing tools in your basic creation of a site. More advanced features to come.